Hey guys, and
Hello.
welcome to our Get Glam with Us, Get Ready with Us. My name is Andrea, Beautybyandreamichelle, and this is...
I'm Gloria, on Instagram, Xo.Glo.
And today we are going to get glammed up. We hope you guys...
We're going to be doing this look.
Yes. So, a little background, we both kind of gravitated towards this one eyeshadow.
Oh yes, watch it.
And
it's right over here.
it's hiding because underneath all the craziness.
We just finished.
And yeah, so I'm going to swatch it so you guys can kind of know what you're in for. And
We're obsessed
like
with this
be
one.
what?
Mm.
Like it's like so bright you guys can't even see it at this point.
Yeah.
But it's like super silvery, blue,
Andrea
and
has
purple.
it all over her eyelids.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. I got a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes, which I should add a little bit more.
Make it pop, pop.
Make it pop.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we're about to get the glammed going. Follow
We ended
along.
up midway through the video. I ended up telling her how Scott Barnes has done
Oh, yes.
his makeup, which I saw on Tati's channel, and we ended up trying that, which was really crazy.
So awesome.
He contours and highlights right underneath everything. So it was like my second time doing it, so I was kind of learning along the way, and we love the results.
Yes, we do. I learned new methods to makeup. I learned how Gloria does some of her makeup, and honestly, I'm so proud and I'm so happy that this came out so well.
You did so good.
Oh, thank you.
So good.
We did. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. I guess we can just kind of go right along. It's saying each other's steps. So I have seen that like if you do a really bold eye, it's recommended you do that first because of like any fallout or if you mess up, then you just gotta take your entire foundation off, and nobody has time for that.
Yeah,
So yeah, all right, yeah, I'm gonna do my eyes first.
Okay.
And then my eyebrows, and
It's
then
all about
our
preference,
makeup.
you know.
Yeah.
Have you seen the new collections that are coming out?
So one collection that I really want to get my hands on it's by Sephora. It's the Frida Kahlo collection.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I know you love her.
Yeah, she's like one of my biggest inspos. Inspo?
Yeah.
I'm like, why did that sound so weird? Yeah, and so Sephora came out with an entire collection, and I was like, ooh, I feel like I need that in my life. Just like, it has like a really nice red, and it's got like a small eyeshadow palette. I think they've got some sort of like glowing primer. I may be wrong, but
Ooh.
I know. So I was like, ooh, I feel like I need that in my life.
Glowing primer.
Yeah, for sure. So, all right, let's see what.
I wanted to ask you.
Mhm.
People always ask me like, how long does it take to do my makeup?
Okay.
And I would say it depends.
Yeah.
Because if I'm in a rush, I'm gonna do something simple. But like when you sit down to like do like a creative look,
Yeah.
how long would you say it takes you?
Ooh, a creative look.
Mm-hmm.
A creative look has taken me like 2 hours before. Easily.
Easily, right?
Yeah, especially when you don't really have a game plan and you're just like, I'm just gonna go and see what happens. Like, you can be here for quite some time. Agreed. There's like so much happening on my eye, but I'm not even mad at it. Ooh.
Yo, I look so crazy right now.
You! I'm like out here.
We look crazy right now.
Yeah.
The steps.
Yeah. I know, it looks crazy before it looks good.
Yeah. Oh, so Tati has been doing these segments with what's his name? Scott Barnes.
Okay.
Who is J.Lo's makeup artist.
Ooh, okay.
And he did this whole thing where he showed how he does makeup on J.Lo.
Okay.
Girl.
Did it change your life?
Yes.
Oh my god.
My glitter blended into my
I do too. I have like little flecks of glitter everywhere, but it's fine.
My mom be coming into my room at the worst times. So she would come in right now and she'd be like, "What the fuck?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?"
Hi, you say you did makeup? Like, what's going on?
She'd be like, "Honey, I'm concerned." She came into my room when I did that alien makeup.
Oh
was
my
just
god.
like-
Yeah, that's too funny. Actually, like, I'm glad you brought that up because I love seeing these creative looks that you try to do. Because it's just like, yes, like makeup should be like anything that you want to try. It doesn't have to be like
Pretty all the time.
yeah.
Work on the other one. And here, and I think I'm gonna go for a lighter shade too. You could do the same if you want.
Okay. Yeah, I actually like the dramatic contour look. You know, I've seen some makeup artists have their preferences of like, they want like an under eye concealer that's like closer to skin tone. While I like a lot brighter. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, because I like that super
And
bright.
I used to put my highlight in here. But I've seen that Scott doesn't do that, and a lot of makeup artists like Mario and Ariel,
Okay.
they don't do that. So I've been trying to stray away from it, because the highlight is actually supposed to be up here like that.
Okay.
Well, it's actually supposed to be more of like a V shape.
Okay. So a V shape. I guess we'll see, but like.
So try to make it thick up here,
Okay.
but going to a thin line down here.
Okay.
And try to not get it like after your eye, nowhere in here, just back here.
Okay. Okay. Snatched. The process of being
Snatch the
snatched.
house.
Like trying to snatch.
Girl, we look great.
I know.
It's so funny because Tati was like, if y'all judging me right now, just wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
Just wait. I know. I promise you this is good. Promise everyone's gonna look amazing.
Snatch the house.
And then what about your nose? Do you do the contour?
Yes.
Okay.
So nose, you need to use a very small brush, like so.
Okay.
Because I try to make the line as thin and as straight as I possibly can.
Okay. I don't know why this like scares me.
Yeah, it's pretty scary.
Okay.
I'll show
Where do you
how
start
I-
the line? Oh, like right where your eyebrow is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love contouring my nose.
You just bring it all the way down?
Yeah, all the way down.
Okay. Yeah, I see like a lot of different videos
I should get closer.
that like either top this part off, they like cut this here, and then
Oh, you look so cute. We
Oh.
look like this is gonna blend and look really nice. That's what we look like right now.
yeah, it better blend. All right, so you just follow the highlight.
So
like,
this
raw.
one?
Okay.
You see where your mouth is? Like
Mhm.
your line is right here, right?
Okay.
But right above it.
Okay. You follow
Right
all
above
of
it, all underneath your contour line. So apparently he does this to Xo.Glo,
Oh.
but obviously much nicer than
Yeah.
what I could possibly do.
Yeah. I mean, if we come out looking like Xo.Glo, then
Yo, Tati came out looking like Xo.Glo.
yeah, then it's a win.
Yeah, it's a win-win.
Start with this forehead section.
People ask me, what do you do for fun?
I
paint my
contour the
face.
fuck out of my face. This is
like a Sunday realness. I'm
Yeah,
living
it
my
really-
best life right now.
really, really.
And all we
is.
need to do is just go somewhere and take you pictures.
Yeah, there you go.
With this one, like
Mhm.
tap it in and kind of pull it down just ever so slightly,
Okay.
and tap in. And then don't worry, because then with the beauty blender,
Mhm.
with the little beauty blender,
Mhm.
it will like spread out a little bit more.
Okay.
I'm loving this breeze.
I know.
I'm loving the weather today.
Perfect. Tap in and drag.
And then also, if you when you get the sponge,
Mm-hmm.
you kind of blend the contour from the bottom. I mean the
Okay.
highlight into it, and then
Yeah, I feel like that's gonna help
Yeah.
make everything cohesive.
Like, look at my nose. Like, can I even
Yeah.
breathe?
Am I even breathing
breathe?
right now?
Am I breathing?
Oh my god.
Who needs plastic surgery?
Who knows who does?
You just spend the whole hour blending out your nose. Wake up early, 5 a.m.
Oh my gosh. That's too funny. You're like, am I even breathing right now? Nope, we are not. She's like, what's going on here?
Yeah.
Ooh, this is pretty. Gives you that nice natural glow.
Yep. I love it. It's natural.
We're so natural with our snatched face.
Can't even breathe.
Am I even breathing? Yo, you crack me up with that. Am I even breathing?
So now, I have KKW Beauty.
Ooh!
Yeah, this
Another
so nice.
never before used product.
This is my favorite
That's
one.
beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Looks we eat. And we don't dust away the powder yet. Right?
No, we let it bake for a little.
Okay.
And then I also, when I do the contour,
Uh-huh.
I also get it into here. You see how that was my powder?
Mhm.
I get it into there to kind of blend it.
Okay.
And then, oof, look at that. I love that.
Yeah.
Amrezy for highlighter, always.
Ooh.
Do you? Do you do Amrezy? Do you have?
I've never used that one. I know.
Girl, we're gonna bless your
I
life
know.
today.
I know we are gonna bless
You
my
wanna
life.
go first?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go first.
Yeah, this is
This is my favorite highlighting brush.
I think we have the same one.
Ooh.
Oh no, different one. Oh, ooh. Okay, so I use Morphe M510.
All right, go ahead.
Oh my god, the magical moment.
Okay, wait, we'll do it at the same time.
Gotta get that
My little
side.
broom.
The broom, I love that. So cute.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Oh wow. So pretty. So freaking pretty. I love it.
You know what's so funny about this highlighter?
What?
When I first tried it on, it did not do this.
Oh really?
And I feel like I just had to get...
I was like, what?
I just had to get through the first layer.
Uh-huh.
And then, girl, now...
Yeah. Like pigment what? Yeah.
Highlight, hello.
Yeah. That's crazy pretty.
Super dumb pretty.
Yes. Okay, before we forget,
Yes.
we're about to put this magic powder to the test. Because I was telling Gloria that my biggest struggle is my under eyes. Like, I always have super dark under eye circles, and I can never find anything to cover that up with. So there's a lot of feedback that this is great for that. Product payoff. And then just apply. Alright, so it looks good.
Do one side first.
Okay.
So we can... apply a
Okay,
little
maybe
bit more.
like a little bit more, yeah.
Do you get it in here? Make sure you get it in here.
Yeah.
So it could be nice and snatched.
Snatch
I think I got too much there. So it's supposed to brighten.
Brighten the fudge out of her face.
I look brightened.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I had to like look closer, but yeah. Okay, I liked that a lot.
A little under here.
On that highlight cleanup.
The highlight cleanup.
Okay. Make sure there's no lipstick on your teeth. Because that's
Good
the
one,
worst.
good one.
Oh, when you find out afterwards. I've done that before, like an entire segment of my video I had lipstick on my teeth. So upsetting.
Okay, guys, so this is our final look.
Yay, what do you think? Are we snatched? Are we like glammed up or what?
It was so much fun.
It was fun. I'm so glad we got to do this. This is definitely one of many. And I think it's really cool that you guys got to see us like learning from each other and like really taking tips from each other. I feel like that's what makeup artistry is all about, because everyone has their styles, there's ways of doing things, and you know what, at the end of the day we all look snatched to the gods, so but thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us individually on our channels. Show us some love. Let us know, you know, like, what'd you think of it? Like, do you love us yet or what?
Any suggestions? Let us know if you want us to do anything.
Yeah,
we should try to do some like challenges.
Yeah.
Like,
oh my god. Yeah.
Doing makeup blindfolded sounds insane, and I kind of
I know. Or like
I could glam you on like blindfolded.
Yes.
And you have to kind of guide me. Imagine how much.
Oh
fun
my
that would
god.
be.
I'm
Or
sure
vice
we would look
versa.
exactly the same like right now.
Or vice versa, like you blindfolded doing my makeup, and I have to guide you.
Oh my god, that's insane.
That'd be
Yeah,
insane.
let us know any more challenges you guys could think of, and then we'll give them a try. Who knows?
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.